Hey there, crocheter. Have you ever crocheted a piece, looked at it, realized, a nice simple single crochet border will do this piece wonders to finish off the look of it? Well, that's how I feel about this. So I'm going to create a simple single crochet border around here. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So let's do it. You have your almost finished piece, your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. I went ahead and wove in all of my ends just so that they didn't get caught up when I was crocheting here. Okay, if you fastened off at the end of your work, just take the yarn that you're using, make a slip knot, and insert your hook, pulling tight. Okay, for this technique, I'm starting with the first stitch here on the right side. My right side is facing versus the wrong side, and then I'm starting on the right side versus the left side. If you're left-handed, go on reverse if that works best for you. And then I'm doing a single crochet join where I basically pull up a loop and then finish off a single crochet. Okay, then I'm going to do a single crochet in every stitch across until I get to the corner. Yep, once I get to the corner, I'm going to do 3 single crochets and turn my work on that third single crochet. And then since this is a single crochet piece, I'm going to do 1 single crochet and each single crochet all the way down. If this was a double crochet piece, maybe I'd do 2 double crochets in each row all the way down. For this piece, I'm just going to do 1 single crochet per row. So you just kind of have to look at your work, knowing that I didn't do one in that first row since I was already using that corner, and then just go evenly down. 1 single crochet per row. You just kind of wrap it around each stitch, like the first stitch of each row. So do that all the way down to the corner, and then we'll work 3 single crochets in that corner as well. Once you get down to the corner, you do 3 single crochets and then turn, and now we are going along the bottom of our work. Here we're going to be doing a single crochet along the bottom. Here I had worked in the back bump of my chain stitch, so I really like how nice and even that is, and you know exactly where to put your stitches because it just looks like regular single crochet stitches. Love that. All right, continue doing that along the bottom, along the other side, and then we'll join back up together right here to do our slip stitch join. Okay. Once you get to the end, make sure you do 30 single crochets in the corner. Really, since that first one was already a single crochet, now you can go into that first stitch that you did into a slip stitch join. Then take your scissors and fasten off. And you have your nice border around the end. Make sure you weave in those ends. And ta-da! Now it'll be easy for you to join the square with other squares or hang it up or do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, I hope that you learned something here. I hope that you enjoyed this method. If there's other methods that you enjoy, please leave a comment down below. Let me know about it. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, leave me a comment. We can have a little discussion about it. If you haven't already, please like this video and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you're notified anytime I come out with any other yarn-related content. You guys are the best. Happy crocheting.